Well, I want to quickly answer your question concerning when you export your work to Lumion and you apply material to the window, the same material will be applying to both glass and the frame. Now, this was what you did first. You came here and you came to edit type and you tried to show me that although the materials are different, if you look at the materials and finishes, you see that the glass panel is glass, then the sash panel is sash, and also the thin exterior, so the only place that we have glass is where you have the glass. So this looks correct. But however, if you had come here, some people do that mistake. If you come here, just watch, because this is where you can edit your material actually. Now if you check here and make it realistic, this is what we have. Now in this place we can also apply material here. Okay, if you come to modify now, that is the edit window of materials. Now you have paint here. If you select paint here, then you come here and apply glass to this frame. You select all this frame, you apply glass. Now what you have done is that you have applied glass to every material, not knowing. Now I'll say done. Even if you load it into the project, now I'm going to load it into the project and say override. So you find out that this is the window now, which I'm going to turn it. So this is the problem you are having. Now this window, if I select this window which I've applied material on, and I come to this side, the edit, which you have shown in your video, you find out that the glass panel is still glass, the sash panel has not changed, and the rest has not changed. But however, you have already changed it here. This is where the problem is. Don't come here and start editing material if you don't know how to go about it. Now if you want to change it now, I'm going to close it. I'm not going to save. Now I'm going to show you how to do it to fix your problem. Now to fix your problem the same way you went. Now if you come here and you select edit, if you do it here and say sash and do it 100 times, it's not going to work. It is not going to work. It might carry any name here, but so long as you've gone here where they edit material, it's just like if you go to where they create material, and whatever material you apply, there will be more binding than the one here on this edit type. Okay, so I'll go there, edit material, sorry, edit family rather. So that these materials now, you will do better here by coming here to apply a different material. Now let's say, now I have the sash now, so I'll apply the sash, because this is we are in the editing window. Okay, so I'll apply the sash here. You find out that it will be different from the glass. So this is the only time it will work. So once I'm done, I'll now load it back into the project. If not, you just be doing something that you will not understand. So I'll load it back into the project and I'll overwrite. So I'll override the existing version, so it will come back to normal. That way, by the time I export it to Lumion, I'll get what I'm looking for. So this is how to solve that problem which you have created. So at times, some of those materials could be materials that was created in another software, maybe 3ds Max or some other. So their material, by the time they convert it to ROFA, that is Revit file, the materials would have mixed up together. So it is your job to edit it, and because that window I'm seeing does not look like what was created in Revit originally. So now if you look at this now, you see that it's different, and your own was showing almost the same color in Revit already. So when you take it to Lumion, everything will still be the same. So you're not able to separate your glass material from your frame material. I hope I've been able to answer your question. If this answers your question, let me know by the time you try it. If it doesn't, still let me know. All right, I'll see you next time.